Hi guys, and welcome to another episode. Today's episode is going to be focused on how to draw a Native American tribal mask. Now first off, I'm going to fold my paper in half. So, you want it to be like this. Now, I'm only going to be drawing half of my mask, so I'm going to flip it over, and we want to get the perfect shape on both sides. So to start with, work on the left hand side.
We were traveling the mountains just to find the loudest seas. We said down by the fire, knowing we couldn't hide, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
So I've stuck my piece of paper, okay, onto a reflection. Now the reflection being my French doors, it could be your window, okay, as long as it's a mirror base. So I've got now natural light coming through. So the reason we folded this section is because what I've done here, so you're going to need equipment wise, some sellotape. Hopefully you've got some sellotape at home. If not, something sticky just to hold it up. So I've got some sellotape, and then stick it up. And what we're going to do is fold over like so. And then what you'll be able to see magically, right, is the other side. Now I know what you're saying, hang on a minute. If I draw this side, it's going to be on that side. Well, you are correct. So a little bit effort wise, we're going to have to do two lots of drawing to both sides, because once I draw on this side, the natural light will shine through and the reflection will be here to draw through. And then you'll get your perfect symmetrical design. Okay? Hopefully that makes sense. So you might be able to see it. I don't know if the focus on the camera is any good, but I can see my design perfect through there. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to draw it through, but with this section I'm going to speed up so we get to the end quicker.
I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees waiting for the summer.
So as you can see, it's now traced, but please make sure that you lightly trace it first, because when you then flip it outwards, like so, and you can see this side, because this is the original side drawn. It might be confusing, it's confusing me. But I am going to speed this section up. Well, there you have it. Okay, so here is the basic outline drawing of my Native American tribal mask. But afterwards, I've just noticed that I did miss a few lines. So what I'm going to do now is refine. So I'm just going to refine my lines and neaten my lines up. And then we'll get on to colouring it. Right, this next section I'm just going to speed up just to show you refining and neatening my design, and I might add a few more bits. Now I'm confident I've got the full shape of the mask. Okay, so once you have finished your mask design, okay, and you've drawn out both sides, rubbing out any marks, line marks you might have created, and you're happy with your design, you're then going to move on to your colour pencils. Now I've identified all the colours I can see in my image, and first off we're going to start by applying a nice light blend of tones over the top. So nice and lightly, I'm going to identify in different sections where the colours belong. Okay, and then each step I'm going to refine, go over and improve.